Think back to elementary school. What did you want to be when you grew up? Was it a protector, a healer, a leader, a mentor, a fixer, a helper, a nurturer, or an innovator? Most likely, you probably wanted to be a bit of all of those things. It seems that people like us who work in public education have a way of weaving all of those attributes into one. And together, we make a unique tapestry of strength, knowledge, empathy, and unity. Our individual quirks, voices, passions, and dreams are the threads that create the incredible North Penn School District. Because life is not just what you are. More importantly, it's about who you are. And in a world overflowing with expectations, norms, and societal pressures, it's easy to lose sight of the most important entity in our lives, ourselves. It's time we uncover our true selves, embrace our uniqueness, and proudly define and be ourselves. You are enough. We are enough. Because when we work together, we have everything we need to elevate learning, ensure belonging, engage our community, and exceed expectations. You are North Penn. We are North Penn. Today's technology-driven society constantly demands our attention, our energy, and our dedication. Now, more than ever, finding balance between our professional commitments and personal well-being is of utmost importance. How can we do this? Take time to celebrate with your family and friends. Walk in the park. Dance with your loved ones. Read to your children. See new places and swim in the sea. Remember, as we pursue excellence as a district, success does not solely reside within test scores, our classrooms, our offices, or the boundaries of our projects. True success is also the development of relationships, the pursuit of passions, the nourishment of our bodies and minds, and the simple joys of life. Success is also measured by how we respond to challenges and setbacks. So surround yourself with people who uplift and support you, who see your potential, and who serve as a reminder that you are not alone. They are probably sitting right next to you. Our jobs are challenging. I expect us all to work hard and do what it takes to ensure that our students succeed. But ultimately, the greatest success of strength comes from within. Cultivate self-love, be true to your values, and establish a deep understanding of who you are. Because you are more than enough. So please, make yourself a priority this 23-24 school year. The first step in taking care of our students is taking care of ourselves. Together, let's ensure belonging, elevate learning, engage the community, and exceed expectations. In the end, all it will take is you being you.